Hello, and welcome back to Speak English with Class, the podcast that makes English grammar feel like a warm hug, not a headache. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. And today, I am so excited about this episode because we are doing something I have never seen done quite like this before.
Jake, before we start, I want to ask you something. What did you do this morning before recording?
Okay, I woke up at 7, I made coffee, I ate toast, I took a shower, and then I drove here.
Perfect. Now, did you realize you just used past tense 5 times in a row?
I actually did not realize that until you just said it.
And that is the beautiful secret behind today's episode. You already use English tenses every single day, describing your routine, your chores, your plans, your life at home. You just don't always know the grammar name for what you're doing.
So today, we are going to make that connection fully conscious. We are going to take the most ordinary everyday home activities, cooking, cleaning, sleeping, doing laundry, and use them to master 5 essential English tenses.
Today's topic is daily home tenses learning English grammar through the activities you do every single day in your own home.
Grammar lovers, beginners, confused learners who have tried to understand tenses before and given up this episode is your fresh start. Let's go.
Okay, Jake, let's start with a big question. Why do people struggle so much with English tenses?
I think the number one reason is this: most people learn tenses from a textbook, in isolation, with abstract examples. She goes to school. He went to the market. They will travel tomorrow. These sentences are grammatically fine, but they don't feel connected to the learner's real life.
Exactly. And when something doesn't feel connected to your real life, your brain doesn't hold on to it. It just floats in and floats right back out.
But here's the thing: every single tense in English is happening in your home every single day. Right now. You are doing things. You did things this morning. You are going to do things tonight. That is past, present, and future happening continuously in your real life.
So today's approach is this: instead of starting with the grammar rule and then finding an example, we're going to start with your life and then attach the grammar rule to something you already understand and experience.
Think of it like this. Imagine you're trying to learn the word hot. If I just say hot means high temperature, okay, fine. But if I say hot is the feeling when you touch a pan that just came off the stove, now you feel it. You know it. It sticks.
That's exactly what we're doing with tenses today. We're going to feel the grammar through home life, and once you feel it, you'll never forget it.
We are covering 5 tenses today: simple present, present continuous, simple past, present perfect, and simple future, all through one beautiful setting, your home.
Let's walk through a whole day at home and learn every tense as we go.
All right, let's imagine it's a typical day at home. We're going to tell the story of this day in 5 different tenses. Ready?
Ready? Let's start with the morning and tense number 1.
Tense 1. Simple present tense. Used for habits, routines, facts, things you do regularly. Formula: subject plus base verb. Add s for he/she/it. Every morning, I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I make coffee and eat breakfast. My mother cooks rice every morning. My cat sits on the kitchen chair while I eat. See the pattern? Simple present describes your routine. The things you do regularly, every day, every week, always. No specific time right now, just your habit. Memory anchor. Simple present equals your normal, your regular, everyday normal life at home.
Tense 2. Present. Continuous tense. Used for something happening right now at this exact moment. Formula: subject plus am slash is slash are plus verb dash ing. Right now I am sitting on my sofa. My husband is cooking dinner in the kitchen. The children are playing in the living room. My phone is charging on the table. It is raining outside, I can hear it. Present continuous equals this moment, right now, as we speak. The action is in progress, not finished. Not tomorrow, happening now. Memory anchor. If it's happening while you're talking about it, add ing. The ing is still going, just like the action.
Tense 3. Simple past tense. Used for actions that are finished and done earlier today, yesterday, last week. Formula. Subject plus past verb. Usually add -ed, but many irregular verbs. This morning, I woke up late. Irregular. I made coffee and ate toast. Irregular. I cleaned the bathroom. Regular clean plus ed. I washed the dishes after lunch. Regular. My sister called me in the afternoon. Regular. We watched a movie last night. Regular. Simple past equals done. Finished. Over. There's a clear time in the past this morning, yesterday, last week, an hour ago. Memory anchor. Simple. Past is a closed door. The action is behind you. It's not happening anymore. The door is closed.
Tense 4. Present perfect tense. Used for past experience that is still relevant now, or something that happened at an unspecified time before now. Formula. Subject plus have/has plus past participle. I have cleaned the kitchen. It's done, and the result is visible right now. She has cooked dinner. Dinner is ready now. I have never fixed a leaking pipe before. Life experience up to now. We have lived in this house for 10 years. Started in past, still true now. Have you ever burnt food while cooking? General life experience question. Present perfect is the most interesting tense because it connects the past to the present. Something happened before, but it matters now. Memory anchor. Present perfect equals a bridge. It connects what happened in the past to what is true right now. I have cleaned the kitchen past action, present result. Kitchen is clean now.
Tense 5. Simple future tense. Used for plans, decisions, and predictions about what will happen. Formula. Subject plus will plus base verb. Tonight, I will cook spaghetti for dinner. I will do the laundry tomorrow morning. My dad will fix the broken chair this weekend. We will watch a movie after dinner. I think it will rain again tonight. Simple future equals what's coming. What you plan to do. What you predict will happen. It hasn't happened yet, but you're talking about it now. Memory anchor. Will equals tomorrow. Whenever you're talking about something that hasn't happened yet, something in the future, will is your signal word.
All right, vocabulary breakdown. 12 essential home activity words in English. Perfect for practicing all 5 tenses.
Number 1. Sweep to clean the floor with a broom.
Present. I sweep the floor every day.
Past. I swept the floor this morning.
Future. I will sweep the porch tonight.
Number 2. Mop to clean the floor with a wet mop.
She mops the kitchen every Saturday.
She mopped the kitchen an hour ago.
She will mop again next week.
Number 3. Do the laundry to wash clothes.
I do the laundry on Sundays.
I did the laundry yesterday.
I will do the laundry tomorrow.
Number 4. Cook to prepare food using heat.
He cooks dinner every evening.
He cooked a delicious meal last night.
He will cook something special this weekend.
Number 5. Wash the dishes. To clean plates, cups, and utensils after eating.
I wash the dishes after every meal.
I washed the dishes after lunch.
I will wash the dishes after dinner tonight.
Number 6. Take out the trash. To remove garbage from the house.
My brother takes out the trash every morning.
He took out the trash before school.
He will take out the trash again tomorrow.
Number 7. Water the plants. To give water to indoor or outdoor plants.
She waters the plants every morning.
She watered the plants before work.
She will water them again tomorrow.
Number 8. Make the bed. To straighten and arrange the blankets and pillows on a bed.
I make my bed every morning.
I made my bed right after I woke up.
I will make the bed before my guests arrive.
Number 9. Vacuum. To clean carpets or floors using a vacuum cleaner.
We vacuum the living room every week.
We vacuumed yesterday afternoon.
We will vacuum again before the party.
Number 10. Fix/repair. To mend something that is broken.
My dad fixes things around the house on weekends.
He fixed the leaking tap last Sunday.
He will fix the broken window tomorrow.
Number 11. Organize to arrange things neatly and in order.
I organize my wardrobe every season.
I organized my bookshelf last weekend.
I will organize the kitchen cabinet next Saturday.
And number 12. Rest/relax. To stop working and recover energy.
I rest on the sofa every afternoon.
I rested after cleaning the whole house.
I will relax and watch a movie tonight.
12 home activities and every single one works perfectly in all 5 tenses. Now you have a ready-made practice toolkit right inside your own home.
3 powerful tips to practice tenses every single day, using your home.
Tip number 1. Narrate your morning routine out loud every day. This is one of the most powerful habits you can build as an English learner. Every morning, while you're doing your routine, washing your face, making breakfast, getting dressed, say what you're doing in English. Out loud.
I am washing my face. Present continuous, happening now.
I made coffee. Past you just finished.
I will have breakfast in 5 minutes. Future coming next.
Switch between tenses naturally as your morning unfolds. Your bathroom becomes your classroom. Your kitchen becomes your classroom. Free, always available, completely private.
The technical term for this is self-talk practice, and research shows it is one of the fastest ways to internalize grammar because you are connecting language to real physical experience happening in real time.
Tip number 2. Write a daily home journal in English in 3 tenses. Every evening before bed, write just 5 to 10 sentences about your day at home. But here's the structure. Write 2 sentences in simple past about what you did today, 2 sentences in present perfect about what you have accomplished, and 1 sentence in simple future about what you will do tomorrow.
For example,
I swept the floor this morning and cooked rice for lunch. Simple past.
I have finished all my chores and I have watched 1 English podcast. Present perfect.
Tomorrow I will organize my wardrobe and will call my grandmother. Simple future.
5 sentences, 5 minutes, every night. In 30 days, you will feel the difference in a way that amazes you.
Tip number 3. Label everything in your house with tense examples, not just vocabulary. A lot of people put vocabulary labels on things at home. This is the door sticker on the door. That's great for vocabulary, but we're going 1 step further.
Put a small note on your kitchen stove that says,
I cook here every day. Simple present.
I am cooking right now. Present continuous.
I cooked something amazing yesterday. Simple past.
Bye everyone, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling every single beautiful day.
You got this. See you next time on Juragan English Channel.